So we're having a little bit of trouble with the Cummins swap. So what we found is that we have an injection pump that's going out. So we knew we may have had that issue when we bought the engine, but we wasn't 100% sure. So the code that we have, if anybody knows, you can comment down in the comment section. We have injection pump timing failure, a P0216. So everything I've researched is saying that the injection pump has failed. It does start and run, but we only are able to rev it up to about 1500 RPMs. So kind of disappointing, but it's going to be a little bit of a holdback, but it's going to take us a little time to get the parts. And as soon as we get the parts, we'll get it together and then we'll get on to the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Like the video and give us a thumbs up.